what up? We in Vonte's world. Monte's world. Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to another video. We got the Impala right here. We got the Impala right here. And I got my cousin here with me today. And we about to change these hub bearings out on this car so I can, you know, so this could be my daily again. So we about to go ahead and bang that out today right now. So that's what we doing in this video, man. Hit the like button. Watch the whole video all the way through. Don't skip nothing. And yeah, man, we about to get into it. First, we use the 34mm socket to loosen the axle up in there, and then we loosen the little nuts on both sides, and then we lifted the car up. So this is the process this is the stage of the process that we did. Now we about to take the wheel off and start dismantling shit, and then we gonna get it together. So yeah, y'all see what's going on right now. We just taking the bolts off for the brake calipers right now. So the brake calipers about to come off. We had to turn the wheel inside, you know what I'm saying? We had to turn the wheel so we could get access to it. The brake caliper about to come off, and then the rotor. I think we need to take the brake caliper off the rotor. The brake caliper off. Now we gonna just put the rotor up. Y'all see that come right off. So now this is where the real magic happens. This is what the real work on. As y'all can see now, we got the old wheel bearings off. This shit actually was easier than I thought, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, it was a little bit challenging, but this shit was pretty easy though, I ain't gonna cap. So now we just gotta put the new axles on that way. And see, by no means is this a tutorial. I'm not telling y'all how to do this shit. There's videos out there for y'all to learn how to do this shit. But I'm just showing y'all the process of me doing my shit. So, you know what I'm saying? You might be able to learn something, but I'm not gonna say I'm teaching you how to do this. You know what I'm saying? So, that's what it is. Because I got the new thing over there. Let me see that good. Nice and clean. Now they gave me some, it was some grease in that bag. Where the fuck do I put that shit at?
Is that anti-seize?
It's wheel bearing grease. So I don't know exactly where I'm supposed to put it.
Basically, you put, I think like right here or some right here.
Maybe I'll put it all over that motherfucker.
Yeah. Make sure you're supposed to put some in the back, like right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
got the new bearings on there. Now we just putting the bolts back on and getting it torqued up. And then we're gonna do the other side. Then we're gonna be back on the road, A1. Alright, so we just got the wheel bearing on, the rotor back on, the caliper back on. Everything is back in place and bolted. Only thing we got to bolt is this tire rod down after we put the tire back on. So we're about to do that. Then we're gonna be done with this shit.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Actually, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but she out with me. You went through the bitch phone, you just had to see. That shit sad to me. Giving a drip away, I'm thinking of starting a charity. My mind rich, a nigga, I'm wealthy, I'm building a legacy. You a bitch, your man a simp, so don't compare me, please. You don't compare to me, you don't work hard as me. And when it comes to this rap game, you don't go hard as me. I'm LBJ up in the paint, I'm number 23. They say I can't, I said I can, I nigga watch and see. And every time these niggas doubt, there's just more fuel for me. I run the shit up like a flight of stairs. Got it out the mud without no helping hand. You ain't take a chance, you are not a man. Used to be broke, now a young nigga having them bands. Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. I can't cuff you, baby girl, cause I ain't passionate. She want a real nigga, her last dude was average. I'ma get inside that pussy and I'ma crash in it. I'ma lay inside that pussy like a bassinet. Then I'm passing it, hop in the coupe and smashing it. My style extravagant, and I roll with the savages. My squad immaculate, and we living on some lavish shit. These niggas mad as shit, pussy niggas should never switch. Thought you was my brother, but you changed for some money, so I can't trust you. Saw you in the street, and I
subscribe to my YouTube channel, and my uncle Bob's YouTube channel, and my brother's YouTube channel. Because all of us got YouTube channels.
Had the chance to bust you, but I let you go. I ain't even had to touch you, cause I know that karma got something coming for you. Still could get you smoked like a nigga burn rubber. Cloud chasing nigga, fuck you and your faculty. You getting money online, I'm getting money actually, factually. Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.